I come in, sir? Sir, namaskar, sir. Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, sir.
चिंता कर लगाएंगे
Sir, I'll do it once.
गोटे कर
Again, sir.
जस्ट सर समस्त गोटे अंश को
Again, sir.
ठीक है सर
Thank you, sir.
ब्रीफ इंट्रोड्यूस ओडिया रे देखन ऑप्शन दीजिए ओडिया ना इंग्लिश रे
Sir, English.
इंग्लिश ना
Sir.
तो स्टार्ट योर ओन
Sir, my name is Priyanka Nayak and I am from Debagot district, and I did my 10th and 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Visakhapatnam, and thereafter I completed my BSc in agriculture from OUT, College of Agriculture, Bhubaneswar in 2020, and thereafter I completed my masters in soil science and agricultural chemistry from OUT, College of Agriculture, Bhubaneswar in 2022, and right now I am working as additional district welfare officer at Pauri Bhuyan Development Agency, Anugul. Yes, sir. Jamadi Anugul, sir.
PPD
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
PPD National Agriculture
Yes, sir.
okay name
Sir, Priyanka Nayak.
you belong to Debagot district na
Yes, sir.
you got district profile something about district profile
Sir, it is a district in Western Odisha. It has least population among the Odisha districts, and it was the first district in Odisha to get status of ODF. And river Brahmani flows through the district, and it is mostly agrarian population. It has mostly who practice agriculture over there. It has 3 blocks: Barkot, Riyamal, and Tilaibani. And there also we have Pauri Bhuya at Pauri Bhuya Development Agency, Rugudakudar, and we have ITDA, Integrated Tribal Development Agency at Tilaibani block. And sir, it is mostly covered by the hilly areas and forest areas, sir.
So you are working as ADW,
Yes, sir.
Also in Pauri Bhuyan Development Agency.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell us what is the percent of scheduled tribe in Odisha?
Sir, it is about 22.18%. Sir.
2.1.
Yes, sir.
India?
India, sir, 8.1%, sir.
No, it is 9.
Sorry, sir, I'll update.
9.17.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
9.17.
Yes, sir.
Are Pauri Bhuya are the primitive or any other tribal are most primitive?
Yes, sir, we have around.
Do you know we
Sir?
vulnerable primitive tribals?
Yes, sir.
VPT.
Yes, sir.
So what are the most vulnerable primitive tribals
Sir, in Odisha, sir?
in Odisha?
Sir, like Mankadiya, Hilkhadia, Birhor, those are primitive, and Bonda in Malkangiri, Didai, Dongriya Kandha, Lodha,
You are telling all names.
All of the Odisha.
You are telling all the tribals name. With the only oldest primitive tribal, but the most primitive tribal.
Sir, I'm not aware of it, sir.
It is Bonda.
Bonda, sir. Yes, sir.
Most primitive tribal.
Sir.
Last primitive tribal is Bonda.
Sir.
So tell how many caste variations in tribals? How many tribals are?
Sir, in Odisha, there we have 64 communities, sir, ST community. 64, sir.
64.
Sir,
Yes.
recently 2 have been added. Earlier it was 62. 2 have been added: Konda Reddy and Mukkadora, sir. Mukkadora, sir. Yes, sir.
Are tribal Hindus?
So not all tribal are Hindus. Some are practicing Christianity, or they are worshipping the nature, sir. Not all tribals are Hindus.
Are tribal Hindus? This is a very important question.
So not all tribals are Hindus, sir.
All, not all. It is a very crucial question.
Sir.
Tribals were never Hindus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They were never
They,
Hindus.
they were never Hindus.
Yes, sir.
They were worshipping the natures.
Yes.
They were not aware of the idols.
Yes.
Idols. People are say murti puja kariba, rituals. They were not aware of that. They are worshipping to their
Nature, sir.
natures. From where they are getting their livelihood.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Which are there?
So like trees, Mother Earth,
Yeah.
stone pillars.
जमीन जल जंगल जंतु और एजुका
Seven. Sir, jungle, jami.
Yeah.
Yes.
air
Air.
sun god
Yes, sir. Sun god.
the
Sun
only
god.
god was
Sun god.
sun god.
Yes. Sir.
And all these things were god for this.
Yes. Sir.
It's a very interesting chapter.
Yes. Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
exactly subsequently after evolution of human life, for evolution of human life, they seldom entered into the worshipping of
Idols.
idols. They were neither Hindus, they are neither Muslims, neither Buddhist, neither Buddhism, neither Jainism. No religion significant was there in tribal communities. Okay. So it is there. What are the tribal development schemes implemented by state government?
So, like recently we have DA Juga, Dharti Aba Janjati Utkarsh Gram Abhiyan for the ST population, and for the PVTG, PM Janman, which stands for Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan. These two schemes actually focus on saturating both individual and community benefits for the STs as well as PVTG respectively. Like individual benefits like Aadhaar card or sickle cell anemia card or caste certificate. If they don't have, special camps will be organized so that they all get saturated with it. And with respect to community benefits like road connectivity, provision of pakka houses, drinking water, these are to be saturated in these villages where they are residing.
So why it is integrated therapy? Tribal development is sufficient to do things. So why it's named as integrated tribal development agency? What is integrated?
Sir, I think it integrated means for all overall development like housing, livelihood, drinking water, connectivity, so that they remain at par with the other mainstream society. I believe this may be the reason.
What is the livelihood mission?
So livelihood mission like OTLP, sir. OTLP, Odisha Tribal Empowerment and Livelihood Improvement Program, and sir, I am unable to recall at the moment. Sir.
What are you doing for tribal sector in PBDA? Is any important thing you are doing for the PBDA people
Yes, sir.
out of livelihood mission?
So like we are organizing VDV, making VDVK, Bandhan Vikas Kendra, by organizing SCG, so that they collect the minor forest product and they sell it and process it and market it in a group so that they get better profit. And skill training, sir, we are identifying the youth and as per their needs we are giving them skill training by coordinating with the skill department. And also we are giving we along with them, the skill department are giving placements to them.
Are you satisfied with working with their government development agency?
Yes, sir. I am working with the one of the vulnerable society. So,
What are the other organ like PBDA?
sir, with respect to PVTG, sir,
What are
or
the other tribal development agencies?
sir. So like ITDA, Integrated Tribal Development Agency, or the MADA. Sir, I am unable to recall.
Is there MADA is still existing?
Yes, sir.
Cluster?
Yes, sir. Cluster approach is also there, sir.
Cluster is still
Yes,
existing?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
MADA cluster, both
Yes,
are existing.
yes, sir.
The other, just like PBDA,
Yes, sir.
what are the other development agencies like PBDA?
Sir, like Lodha Development Agency, DKDA, Dongrekonda Development Agency, at Chattikona and Parsali, both at Raigada, and sir, Juwang Development Agency at Gonasika, Keonjhar, sir, and Bonda Development Agency at Malkangiri, sir. Didai Development Agency at Malkangiri.
Didai?
Yes, sir, Didai. Longia Sora Development Agency at Gajapati as well as in Raigada, sir.
Ranjit Soda, yes.
Serango and Putta Singh, sir. Serango is at Gajapati, sir. Yes, sir. Putta Singh is at Raigada, sir.
And ସୁନାପଡ଼ା ଫୁନାପଡ଼ା
CBDA sir, Chuktiya Bunjia Development Agency sir, Nuapara.
ନୂଆପଡ଼ା
Yes sir, Tumba Development Agency at Ganjam. Sir, these are some of the. We have total 20 micro project agency in Odisha sir, for the 13 PVTGs.
As a student of agriculture, you tell me as how agriculture contributes the economic development of the states.
Yes, sir, around 60 to 70% of Odisha population are dependent on agriculture, and it contributes about 20% of GSDP of the state, sir. And we are mostly cultivating paddy as well as other vegetable crops, pulses, and millets. We are focusing on millets, sir. And sir, I'll have to read up more practice upon it, sir.
Do you think that paddy cultivation can continue as to give support to the economy?
Sir, it may not continue, though it is a staple food of the state. It is not much profitable to the farmers right now, sir, because of the land degradation problem, and the production is saturating, sir, right now. So there is a need for crop diversification, sir.
So what more we can do?
Sir, we can,
Can we replace paddy to any other
sir, millets like ragi,
cash crops?
the cash crops, sir, and millets also, and other vegetables, pulses, as the soil is degrading, sir, so we can diversify the crops, sir. And we can also go for livestock also, sir. Livestock, fishery,
Yes.
animal husbandry.
That sector of
Yes, sir,
agriculture
sir.
are more profitable,
Yes, sir. Than the paddy cultivation.
more viable.
Yes, sir.
More viable, more profitable, but it is more required for the people.
Yes, sir.
It is more required for the people. Nowadays, people are not waiting for rice. Rice is
Sir.
only used for one time in a day.
Sir.
So think of the one day you just calculate what is the use of rice and what is the use of other agricultural products.
Yes, sir.
Dals, oil, onion, garlic,
Sir.
ginger, all these things, a lot of things.
Sir.
Cotton, dresses, all these things.
Yes.
Produced.
Yes.
So all these productions are cash crops.
Yes.
But in our state it is very poor condition.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we have to improve it. We have to. It is not a thing. Climate condition. It is just a casual answer. It may be a casual answer that the Odisha climate is not
Suitable.
suitable for all these crops. No, it is not that. We have tried when I was video. I have tried sunflower in Papadahandi block.
Sir.
Papadahandi block. I have tried sunflower. Irrigation, the tribal people in massive scale. When agriculture becomes in a massive scale,
Yes.
so there is no problem of forward and backward linkages. You know what is forward and backward linkages?
Sir, forward.
and backward linkages.
So forward linkage is with the consumer, and backward linkage is with the input suppliers, sir.
No. It's a number. Don't
Sir.
do any wrong answer.
Sir, sir.
Forward backward linkages means support to produce and marketability. That is called forward and backward linkages. Support for production and support for marketability.
Sir.
Understand? So marketability is a very important thing in agriculture. So if you do suppose chili, Lanka, you produce only 10 kgs of Lanka.
Yes.
Where to sell it? Where to sell it?
Market.
Where will you go to sell? You will spend one day taking 10 kgs of Lanka and sitting there somewhere. Throughout the day, serving in a next day. These are not the exact agriculture. Present agriculture system exactly is not that like that. Why Andhra is developing in agriculture, West Bengal is developing in agriculture? It is bad. I have seen in my own eyes, it's not out of experience, I'm not studying from any books, practically I have seen that thousands acres of brinjal, thousands acres of Lanka. One product on 1,000 acres. That is a cooperative farming system.
Yes.
सब लोग मिसिले गोटे बिग बैच रे ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन करे तो देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ मार्केटिंग
Yes.
so many important traders came to their place so they purchased
Yes.
it in tons not in kgs
Yes.
it in tons they purchased they took it away they paid them very less direct payment so that's why they are developing
Yes.
they know that vegetables will have एक गुटे माने छोटिया कंपनी बोलते हैं कि vegetables को तो लगती है it will be only used for your own
Consumption.
not be for economic development so it's good in conversation have any question
Thank you very much. You have Priyanka.
Sir.
What is the every employee? What is your job there? Exact job. Just tell me.
So to look over welfare of the PVTG, the Paudi Bhuiya communities. Sir.
Look after.
Look after, sir.
What you are actually looking after there?
So like I said about the PM Gen 1, to saturate all the I have the major role to coordinate with the other line departments to saturate the individual and the community benefits for the PVTG
How
people.
many years have you worked there?
Sir, nearly 1.5 years. Sir.
There also.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to switch over to this place? Why do you want to switch over? You are doing for the people.
Sir.
Why do you want to switch over to this?
Sir, I have worked with the vulnerable society, one of the vulnerable community, but I've.
You want to name Dirai community.
Sir.
Huh? One girl from Dirai community got some special first time.
Sir, medical seat, sir.
What is the name of the girl?
Sir, I have forgotten, sir. I read it. Yes.
It is Champa.
Sir, Champa. Recently, sir, last month only I have read it.
Champa,
Sir, Mone Ponni.
from that Malkar Girl.
Yes.
In which college has taken admission? If you are interested in that community working since
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir. Sir, I have forgotten, sir. I read it last month, sir. Yes, sir. Fakir. Sir.
And she was greeted by our chief minister. What did she present her?
Sir, sorry, sir. I'll read upon it, sir, once again. Sir.
Now, and you said that there are a lot of vulnerable communities who are working there. And what makes you switch over to this? Service. What better prospect does it have for you?
So first of all, it is a group A service, sir, and along with the this ST population, I'll work with the other communities also. Also, I'll have more power, more control,
So
and
you want for power?
no, sir, no, power to sir work for the people, sir, not for self. For the I've seen problems in coordinating in this service, sir. Like bureaucratic delays was there, and there was lack of.
So who is a good bureaucrat?
Sir.
What are the qualities of good bureaucrat? What are the qualities of good bureaucrat?
Sir, he or she must have integrity, sir, or he or she must be honest, dedicated to work for the welfare of the people, and he or she must have good communication skill, good listening, and able to convey to the people. And problem.
Will the bureaucrat do everything alone, or will you do this their team?
Sir, he will work with the team, sir. He or she. Team, yes, sir.
Then comes the other thing.
Yes.
Most thing is he must know how to work
With the
team building.
yes.
Team building, working the team, taking them together.
Yes.
That's the basic thing.
Yes, sir.
But you didn't answer the question properly.
Sir, I'll practice about it.
No, because you are working for the people in a limited sector.
Sir.
But this, what you are trying actually, this gives you better scope for giving service to many sectors.
Sir.
It's not low.
Sir.
So that will broadening it this.
Sir.
It's very logical.
Sir.
Why? Yeah. Now you are agriculture background.
Sir.
How do you think this knowledge can help you in your factory job?
Sir, I can guide the local authorities and the community about the recent innovation in agriculture so that they can switch over to that, like organic farming, use of biofertilizers. I can use my technical knowledge to convey it to them in their easy language, sir, so that they can understand and apply it in their own life, sir.
So, as a soil scientist, how do you see the tribal culture?
So they say they worship the soil. And they also practice shifting cultivation, which is degrading the soil, sir.
Then
Yeah, they're deforesting the forest, and they're growing rice or black gram, and they're leaving it fallow.
and with respect to soil management,
Sir.
soil management.
So, they're leaving it fallow. So as a result, there is cases of soil erosion in those areas.
Why they do it?
So because
It's
they're
a forced thing or it's just for sake of they're forced to do that or it is just a
so it was actually their tradition, and now, sir, because
how can you be doing
sir, we
soil science with respect to soil management?
sir, so we can give them other livelihood sources so that they don't go for the shifting cultivation. They can go for agroforestry, sir, like growing other crops in between the forests, sir.
Is it that easy to interfere into the tribal culture? What is your experience?
So no, sir.
Will they adopt?
So they will adopt.
Adopters or adopters? Good adopters.
Yes, sir. They're good adopters.
That is why they are backward.
So,
Do you know the adoption category?
so they are a little bit shy, sir.
Little bit shy. They're not shy at all. Can you double the income of the farmers there? Farming is that practice. Can you double the income?
So not at first go, but I can give a try, sir.
It's not a trial. It has to be done.
Yes, sir.
You have to find out the ways and means.
Sir.
Right?
Sir.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how was it, sir? I need what is sir improvement, Dorkar, sir?
Priyanka, what you need to do, when you will be asked, I will choose this service, you are in a service, I will choose this service. So you have to answer that. Very simple way. So this is a big platform. I am working in a small platform.
Sir.
So I have interest area to do better in a big platform. There is diversification of services to the people.
Sir.
Multiple of services to the people.
Sir.
I am just working in one sector only.
Sir.
Only in a tribal subplan system.
Sir.
But in this system, I will also work for the tribal development work and other development work, other welfare works. Can give proper benefit to the people, which are very widespread schemes are there in government. Long and very important schemes are there in government. That's why I should at the big platform.
Sir.
Everything is there in a block is a mini secretariat.
Yes, sir.
Even if you Tahsil person, he is also a regular mini secretariat. Everything there in Tahsil, everything there in block. Block has everything. The video,
Sir.
can do a lot of things.
Yes.
The registration is good. As so far as current affairs and other things, you have to
Sir, yes.
read something.
Yes, sir.
Before you are reading the Hindu.
Yes, sir. Hindu.
The Hindu.
Yes, sir. The Hindu.
Meditate note.
Sir.
So, okay.
Don't use the words which I answer the question with.
Yes, sir.
Or
Sir, sorry, sir.
you are letting the
Sir.
I would have put the power status, I would have added something.
Yes, sir.
So be very careful when you
Yes.
answer the question.
Yes.
Don't use such words which will land in trouble.
Yes,
They will trap you.
sir.
Take care of it.
Yes,
Okay. Linda,
sir.
see, okay. That is another
Sir.
night there in when I was in training academy. This is a resource
Sir.
from the Gold District.
Sir.
I have forgotten on that.